How to change the motor on your Henry vacuum cleaner, but today we're not just replacing the motor, we are upgrading it. Now let me show you how, because for the last 10 years we've been battling with 620 watts and poor suction. Well, today is the end of it, because this, as you can see, is an identical motor, but it is 1200 watts. It fits like a glove, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So if you have a 620 watt Henry, the one with the power switch on the top and the red LED light, then this is your suction upgrade. We're simply going to take Henry's hat off, turn it upside down, and then we're going to undo all 7 screws on the underside. These are T20 Torx screws. Once they're undone, and it goes without saying, make sure you're unplugged from the mains, we can then take off the bottom. Just prise it off. The bit round the back near the vent might need a bit of encouragement, but then the base lifts off, and inside you'll see your old motor. Take the ring off and then pull the motor out, and then just pull off the 2 wires that are on there. Grab your new 1200 watt motor and put the white wires onto it in any order, it doesn't matter, and then we can just lower the new motor into the casing, replace the ring, put the base back on, do up all your screws, and that is it. Your motor is upgraded, and the suction on this thing, well, I'm blown away. If you want to buy one of these motors, I'll put the link in the description and in the comments. And if you have any questions at all, please put them in the comments or send me a message via the website. Honestly, this is a great day to own a Henry vacuum cleaner. As always, I hope this video has helped. Please subscribe to my channel for loads more help videos. I'm so excited right now. I have no idea which video to take you to next. So this one is one that YouTube has chosen especially for you.